WhatsApp has added a new feature for creating text stickers in your chats. Want to try it out? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make text stickers on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. To make text stickers on WhatsApp, open a chat you'd like to send a text sticker in. Then tap the sticker icon inside the message text box. Tap the search icon. Then type in the word or phrase you want to turn into a sticker. Tap the sticker icon to see results. Here you'll see custom stickers generated using the word or phrase you've entered in the search bar, as well as any other stickers relevant to your search phrase. The longer your phrase, the smaller the font size will be in your sticker. Shorter phrases will be easier to read. Tap a sticker to send it in your chat. Once you've sent a custom sticker, it'll be saved at the top of your sticker window for reuse. That's all it takes to create text stickers on WhatsApp. Want to learn about more cool WhatsApp features? Check out our full playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.